Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am absolutely obsessed with the Happy Planner. So I would love to have you, if you are not already, subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I am Simply Megan Plans over there as well. I am going to be decorating my monthly grid overview filler paper, and I am using this seasonal mega sticker book, and I'm going to be using these like little cartoons over here. It's really not much. I'm going to keep it really simple and just have fun with it. I like to use this as my gratitude log, so I need to date it, which comes from these pages, and then from there I will decorate it. So I use this to have a gratitude log. So I put one thing for each day that I'm thankful for, and it's just a way to practice gratitude and find something that I'm thankful for each and every day. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now this I think would be just a really simple way to decorate these pages. Of course, you know, it's nothing too crazy. It's just simple, which works out well because I am pretty sure that my camera is about to die. Oh, and I also wanted to use some washi. So let me see. I have this spider web or these jack-o'-lanterns, which I think I want to use these. Okay. Then a little bit of candy corn here and there, and then I'll be done. So this is always a pretty quick video. Okay. Oh, so yeah, I'll put this guy up here. Yay. Okay, great. So that's fun. And then I'm gonna put October 2021. Okay. See, quick and easy. All right, let me put it in. I put this at the front of my weekly journal, and I keep the other months in here as well. Once I fill them in, I put them to the back. It's just really, really fun, and you know, great way to use these pages as well. There's a lot of ways to use these. I found this at Michael's, by the way. All right. I'm going to get off of here before my camera dies, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.